YouTube community. This is Mac OS X Tutorials video screencast number 3, and I'm going to show you keyboard shortcuts in OS X. So I'm going to start with the fun ones that aren't necessarily practical in everyday situations, but okay, so first of all we have Expose. So I'm going to open up a bunch of Finder windows, and let's say I had them all in different folders, so I need to navigate through them quickly. Well, I have a Mighty Mouse, so I can press the two sidebars and open up Expose that way. But on the newer Macs, you have F3 designated for Expose. So I'll press it, and you notice I have Expose. Well, that's how you can switch through your windows quickly. I'm sorry. Excuse my stupid pronunciation for that word, quickie. It's a bit of sync. Please don't make fun of me. Anyway, so, and then you have show the desktop. So if you hold down Command and you hit F3, that will show your desktop. And so you can quickly go back and forth between your desktop. You can also do that with the, actually I don't know, I'm going to hold down Command and hit my sidebar. No, it doesn't do anything with the Mighty Mouse. Then you have, so I'm going to close some of these windows and just go back to my first one. So inside of this you can add a new folder. That's just Command N, that creates a new, Shift Command N, that creates a new folder, and you can give it a new name, so folder. And then yeah, so oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And then you can rename your window just by pressing the return key. It's not like F2 or anything. And then you cannot just press delete to delete something. You have to hit Command delete. And to empty your trash, you hit Shift Command delete. And this is within Finder. So if you see Finder on your menu bar, you can do that. So you can always find your shortcuts by going up and just kind of hovering over and seeing different things. So you can see this might look weird to you. Let's see if I can find one that's a little bit more, has a few more random things. I don't see anything. Okay, you have these three symbols that might not make any sense to you, but that is Option, and I've heard people say it's supposed to look like a switch to be kind of like your Option. I don't see the switch in it. Maybe somebody can make a diagram of in a video or something like that to show me how it's supposed to look like a switch. But I do know it's Option. And then this is Command, and that's H. And then you have Shift right over here. And Control is like the little symbol above 6, I think. Yeah. So, I don't see anything for Control, but I'm trying to think of where I might hit Control. I think I can go into System Preferences under Keyboard and Mouse and find all my keyboard shortcuts. So that is Control, that is Shift, that is the Option key. So yeah, so you can see all that. And then now I'm going to show you the animations, the slow them down stuff. So if I open up Macintosh HD, you'll notice it kind of swoops in here, and if I close it, it goes back down, shrinks scale. So that's what I'm looking for. And so if I hold down Shift and do it, just open it up, you'll notice it does it in slow motion. So you can do practically everything in slow motion. So once again, I'll create a bunch of windows, and if I hold down Shift and hit F3, you'll notice it's in slow motion, opens up Expose. And if I hold down Shift Command F3, which will show the desktop, it'll do that in slow motion. And just press F3 back and you open up that. I think I might be able to open up, yeah, you can open up, that's wild, dashboard in slow motion. So I guess you can do anything, any type of transition like that in slow motion. And if I hold down Shift, Shift, and try to minimize my window, and notice it will minimize in slow motion. And so I'm going to close these windows and just give you a really big example. Minimize that in slow motion, you know. So that's a few keyboard shortcuts that can help you in everyday situations. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. The one that I had the most trouble with, if I wasn't so redundant, could have looked over inside of the Finder window or menu bar and probably find where I can delete something. Actually, I don't even see it, so maybe it wasn't my fault. Anyway, so to delete something, it's just Command Delete, and to empty the trash, it's Shift Command Delete. And that's it. Oh wait, and then to go up and down between folders, have to click the back button. You can press up and down on the arrow keys, and that'll take you up, 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 and back down to the home folder. It didn't take me back though, so it can't. Okay, so one more thing. You have your 4 views right here. If you hit Command 2, it'll take you to list view, 3, icon, 4, cover flow, and back to a icon. So those are just a few things to help you. And if you're on the Finder, press Command N, open up a new Finder window, close the Finder window. If you press Shift Command A, that'll open up your applications window. And I found that one by going to Go, and you can see all the different things that you can press to open up different windows. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you have learned something, and goodbye.